Are you looking for a way to make up to 50,000 naira monthly? And note, this is not an arbitrary trading, or this doesn't require any foreign transaction, and this doesn't require that you should go to a bank. I'm sure that you will now you will say that what is up with these guys? Is this another bullshit that this guy is trying to tell us? Trust me, I've done research on it, and also and with this, that is why I decided to let it out to you guys, because when you make money and I too make money. So trust me, this is not some kind of pay to read the news where we'll be giving kind of 100 naira or 200 naira to read the news. And also, this is not a pay to comment where we just comment or like a post or share a post before you can get the money. This is not a pay to log in. Maybe you have to use 2,000, 5,000 for registration, and at the end of the month you have to collect like 5,000 naira. This is not it. This is not pay before you register. And also, this is not haram, but this is halal, which means legal. So if you are a Muslim that is watching right here, this is not illegal, but very legal. Also, these are the proof of earning. And from yesterday, someone made 136k, which will be by the end of this month. Someone with like 13k, and today, as you can see, the next payout day is on the 31st. Even if you can earn right now, like you can earn 50,000 naira in a day, please trust me, this is so real. So if you are doing anything right now, I want you to stop it. I want you to stop it right now and then watch this video to the end, because this is going to really help you a lot, like help every one of us. So if you are watching this video the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell, because you don't want to miss another episode. So what are they? So with this for? If you are a student, you are young or old, you have already have a job or you don't have a job, maybe you are trying to hustle, then this is right thing for you. And what are the requirements you need? So the thing these days that we make our phone a liability for us. So why don't you earn with this phone? Like you have been online for 2 years, you can even earn 50 to 100k every month while pressing your phone. So you just go to social media, love it out, and then go and sleep already when you want to sleep. And you have maybe you have a house bill to pay, house rent to pay. You will be sleeping while your bills accumulate, instead of find a way to make a passive income. So if you have an internet, this is for you. If you have a phone or a PC and just need 500 naira only, which will be given back to you, not by me but by the platform which is show. And also I will show that you will already know the platform. So if you have registered before and never like register finish, or you don't abandon it, right now you just to get a new email and just proceed, like proceed neatly. This is so great, or else you are not going to get any. So imagine getting telling this thing to someone and then getting like 1,000 naira for it. As you can see here, let's go back to this proof. Let's go back to this proof right here. As you can see, 136,000, 23,000 in just a day. Can you imagine? So if you want to make this man, I want you to smash the subscribe button and on the notification bell, because you want to don't want to miss like great video like this. So without further ado, let us get started. So the link is inside the description below. So you want to click the link, something like this. I posted the link in the description below. You will see get my 50k monthly now. So when you click on it, you will get an access to something like this. So this is the website. Okay, this is the website I'm talking about. You can say, oh, but trust me, you might want to watch this to the end. So when you see something like this, sign up to claim this investment from Lawa. If you don't see anything like this, I urge you to just contact me on. Oh, okay. So we have a proof. we have a proof. So if you are maybe you are a Muslim, this one is for you. Maybe you are a Christian or anything religion that any religion that you are doing, then this is right for you. So how do you make money with this? First thing you have to do is to sign up. Use any of your email to sign up, which I've already done before. After you sign up, it will be prompt to enter your BVN just for verification. They are not going to withdraw money from your account. There is no way a person can use your BVN to either withdraw money from your account unless you give someone your card. Maybe you give a card to that person. Even if you give the card to that person, or maybe you give someone a withdrawal slip, I will be checking in bank. Hope you know what I'm trying to consider. So after then, all you just need to do right now is to, after you register, confirm your email, proceed with any registration. If you don't know how to do this, I've already created a group for you. So join the group and ask me how to do it, which I will show you step by step tutorial. So if you and also if you sign up finish, I'll have a bonus for you, like a bonus on how you can earn money online and also how to make this 50k. Okay, so this is the first step. So after then you have registered, input your email. So from now, as I register, I just need to log. Okay, I just need to sign. So this is here. Oh, my email, and just input my password. So this is our password, and this is what I've done for my brother too. So you might want to do the same thing also. So after you have logged in, here is what your balance will show. It will show 0 naira. Okay, it will show 0 naira. So first thing you want to do, okay, I think I should get started with something. How can I do this right now? I'm going to join the video with this, which will show you how you can do it directly. So I just want to give you some rephrase. We show this thing right here, that if you get a free 1,000 naira, so you can just click it. Not something like this. It does not always come with something like this. I think, let me log in. If you can maybe get started. If you can't, then I will just use my mouth to explain. So let me just continue with something here, and the OTP will be sent to my Gmail account. So as you can see, OTP will be sent to your Gmail account. Coming Elixir promotion. I don't think I have the password here. I'll just go around and find someone. Elixir Nation. Let me show you Elixir Nation. So don't forget to share this video to your friend, as this will also help you too. Okay, it's in the network. Okay, now just go to my email here. Okay, so a code will be sent to my Gmail, so you can see here is the OTP 137890. 137890. So then click on verify. So I think, okay, we are still recording here. So after you'll be prompt to input your correct phone number. So I've just input a correct phone number here for my brother want to register also. I'll just click on continue. So the network is not doing as well right now. Okay, I will just, okay, let's say the username, I will just load our Farouk for 8. So we're all set now. The next thing that we need to do now is to log in. So after we log in, okay, there is what I use. I think I use Lakeside Nation. So the next thing I use my password. I'm going to log in with my password right now. So I'm going to show you like easy way right now. Like you can sign up from your phone, sign up from anywhere. Just make sure you are using a smartphone which is Android, or even if you are using any smartphone that is browsing, I think you can do this. So this is how it will show in your platform. So they said we need to you need to add your BVN and also create your Cowrywise pin for further secure account. So click on continue. So first thing I need to do is to create my pin. So I'm going to pause this video in case. So boom, I've created my pin successfully. The next thing I'm going to do is to add my BVN. So I'm going to add my BVN right now. I'm going to pause the video and add the BVN right now. So after you have add your BVN, the next thing you need to do is to get your free $100. So it will be show like, let me switch to kind of mobile something here. So let me switch to maybe Excel. So this is how it will look on your mobile phone. All you need to do is just to click on this thing right here. So we redirected here. So the next thing you want to do, so I'm just doing it like this, so it will be easier for us. So as you can see here, this is how it will show. You can just regular savings here or choose emergency plan savings. For me, I'm going to choose this halal savings because that is what I want. I don't want. So the next thing is, if you are maybe other religion, you can even get this and then get money. I'm coming. Let me go to back. You can choose this thing. This regular savings or on terms minimum of 3 months will be at this thing we get some kind of percent here. So but for me, I'm choosing allow for a reason. So I don't want interest. So the next thing I want to be debited automatically. The next thing I'm going to do is like you can do on the just select on the day, like on the week. You need to put an amount of like 500 naira, which will be given back to you. The next thing is click on okay, save 3 months. They will help me to calculate it. So 500 naira weekly. Start on January and then April. Status lock. So I'm going to choose my payment method, which is my card. So let us wait. So I'm just going to enlarge this back. Then I'm going to add my card, then create a plan. So we're about to save minimum of 500 from this card. This money will go into your savings. Okay, cool. So the next thing they will show is my something here. So this one will come up with kind of a pay stack, which I will use to pay for the money. And this money will be paid in not okay. I think our January is 30 days, right? Okay, I think so. Our January is 30 days. So on the 30, I'll get the payment. Okay. So let me just pause the video and input my card and pay my 500. So here is it. I'm trying to make a payment. I'm using my UBA. So if this doesn't work, I just doubting this card, maybe it work. So I think code OTP have sent to me. Just input 31 61 2076. So this one running, I think it's still running. So click on submit. I think we should be able to be billed just 500 naira. And by the end of the month, your money will be paid out. Boom. I think it is authorized here because 500 naira was deducted from my bank account. So payment successful. So I'm creating the plan. So smart move, you create a plan now. Boom. So I'm just going to Just going to reload this. Boom. So I will do this later. So as you can see, 1005 is now here. So how will you get this this to up to like 3,000, like 300,000 or 50,000? If you have so many friends, all you need to do is just to refer them and tell them to do this. The next thing you want to do is to go here. So if you want to know how to make money with this, next thing you want to do after this, scan me the screenshot of this. Then I will show you how you can make enough money with this. Okay, so I will show you how you can make enough money with this. So as you can see, this thing I think we should have, let me check something here. So just want to fill the dashboard, and this one will be paid with my payment at the end of the month, or this end of the month. So if you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So the link is inside the description below. Use my link to join. There's nothing costs you from making more money in this 2020. The only thing that is stopping you is yourself. The only thing that will be stopping you is yourself. So don't let anything to pull you out from this. This is a right way that you can make money online without spending anything, like stressing yourself at all. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. And also, as I promised before, there will be a bonus for you if you do this, and on to how you can make money online with Fiverr. Trust me, I've made enough with this platform. As you can see right here, you can see I've opened a lot of things here, doing some research on how people can how I make money with this platform. As you can see, I've done a lot of research on Fiverr. Also, if you go to my channel, I've done a lot of videos. So can you imagine that I will be lying to over 2,597 subscribers? So if I'm lying to this guy, why would they subscribe to my channel? So this is a real, and this is not a bluff. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a nice day.